Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. And in today's adventure, we're going to be drawing Elsa, but not just any Elsa, Lego Elsa. So, let's jump right in. We're going to begin first with her eyes. So let's start off with 2 ovals. One oval. 2 ovals. Perfect. And then one over here. Awesome, looks good. Then she has these little eyelids, eyebrows that come down, and then up, and then up. Alright, in fact, let's just color in the eyes real quick. Okay, awesome. Then let's give her just like a little smirk. Awesome, looks good. Alright, and maybe just a little bit of a bottom lip and upper lip. Very light. Or let's just leave it like that. I actually really like the look of that. Just a little smile. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come down, make like a little cube for her head, and make the corners round. And then we're actually going to stop right about here. And you'll see why in a little bit. And then we're going to come up at an angle. And then come down. And around and up. Over. Down. And we're going to stop right there. Awesome. Okay, because now what we're going to work on is her hair. So we're going to start down here. And we're going to come out. Stop. Do like a little bubble. Another little bubble. Another little bubble and up. One more. And then here we're going to start here at the very bottom. And we're going to swoop up and over. Perfect. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bubble. One more. And for good luck, just one more. And connect this one all the way down to her face. Okay, and we'll add in more details as we go. Then she has, the reason why I left this blank is this is where the rest of her hair comes in the braid. So we're going to start out with a little bubble. And a little bubble on the other side. Bubble. 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 Then bubble to a point. Perfect, just like that. And then we're going to do this. We're going to bring the face down. Connect this bubble all the way in. And there we go. There we go. Now we got her hair pretty good. Then we can add some more details. Show the actual braids. Going in, down, and around. And there we go. There are her braids. Look at how good that turned out. Alright, and then her neck, we're just going to do a little curve. Curve. And it looks like for her shirt, what we're going to do is we're going to go straight across. And then go very slightly at an angle, but almost straight down. And then we're going to curve and connect. Awesome, looks good. Now onto her arms. Well, let's just finish out the dress, why not? So we're going to come right here to the very edge. We're going to go straight down. And then stop. Come around. Then we're going to come right here to the edge and come down. And stop. Awesome. Looks good. Let's get her arms. So we're going to start with her shoulders. Come around. Down. And let's go up a little bit and stop. And Lego people, you know how they all have those funny hands, those little claws almost. So we're going to come around. And there we go. She's got one Lego arm and hand. Now the other one, her hair's kind of blocking. So we'll still come down and around her wrist. Then come around. Make like a little letter C, I would say. Awesome. Okay. Looking really good. So let's just add some more details. So for her hair, wherever there's these bubbles, just kind of want to connect, 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 connect. Now this one's a little bit different. This one we want to go all the way around and connect. Awesome. And we want to go all the way out this way, this way, this way. And look how good that is looking. That is awesome, guys. Now for her dress, let's begin actually down here. So when it comes to the Lego, it looks like they made like a little slit for her dress. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here, around and come to a sharp point, curve down, and around and down. And then they got these dark lines. Just keep adding these lines. Awesome. Looking so good, guys. Then her dress, it looks like, comes up and down, and then up, over. And then we got these this nice pattern. Just lines coming down, where it's really sparkly. And as you can see, it kind of comes down to a point. And from there, we're going to add this little detail, little triangle. Same thing on this other side. Alright, and there you have it. Lego Elsa in the flesh, or at least on paper. Hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more great tutorials on how to draw Elsa, princesses, superheroes, cartoon characters, and all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.